Mm. Oh,
Mm.
how is the weather outside? Is it sunny? Is it
It's morning, it's foggy.
oh,
In the very morning, 6 to 8 o'clock. Then it's
oh, hmm. So do
sunny.
you know it's 27 degrees?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so how far are you with the place called Mumbai? You
Mumbai, I
know,
don't know what's the weather there.
oh,
Mm.
you, India is big. It's very big.
What?
I'm asking if India is very big.
Yeah.
Oh, huh. Because I think on 2018 I went to China. So I think China and India they are sharing the same board. I remember on YouTube. I think I saw that China and India they are sharing the same border.
Yeah,
Is it?
border. Yeah.
Oh, have you
Mm.
been to another country before?
No.
Why?
Why means what should I say? I didn't got the opportunity.
Oh, I want to go. Where do you want to go?
Sorry.
I'm
I
saying
mean, sorry to say
if,
this, but
eh,
it is very new to your slang, so I can't understand few things. So that's why I'm
oh,
asking again and again.
I know I understand. Am I speaking
Mm.
fast or is it
No,
my
you are
accent?
not speaking fast, but your accent is somewhat different.
Oh,
So it's taking time for me to understand.
okay, no problem. Okay. Mm.
Mm.
Do you know, have you ever seen anyone in India from South Africa?
What did
I'm saying, have you ever seen anyone from South Africa that side?
South Africa? Uh,
Mm,
Actually, no. But
mm,
there is a college called CDC here in Warangal.
mm.
Uh, there I have seen some, I mean, few people, but I don't know from which country they are from. I mean,
Oh,
Asian people, I have seen them.
oh, Asian people. Oh,
Mm,
now I see you. I
mm,
got I got friends from this side who they are Indians. They normally go to India, but
mm,
they're saying, "Ish, India." Oh, one of my friends, his name is called Mike. I think
okay.
he went to Mumbai.
Mm-hmm.
He said there's a lot of food in the streets. You eat in the markets.
Yeah, food will be
Yeah.
very delicious in India. You have to try it
Oh,
if you
yo.
visit India.
Yeah, must come to Ind. Okay, so uh, I'm sure you are familiar with this page here, Jupyter Notebook. Can you see my screen?
No,
Okay,
I think you are
let's
not sharing.
okay, let me unshare share again.
Yeah, I
Tell
can.
me, oh, oh, you know this part here, cause
Yeah,
I've
it's
entered. Oh, it's Jupiter notebook.
Jupiter.
Okay. Okay. Mm, what I will do is I don't know if you will tell me how do you want me to teach you. My first option is to show you everything that I'm gonna do, and then yeah, and then I send you the recordings later on that you can check and see how I was doing things. Or I do some of the things and then you also do it that side. Which one is the best?
I think you do.
Okay.
This is my starting, so next class I will try to do.
Okay, okay. Okay, so yeah, we got through with a notebook, and then here we have, what do we call this? Still remember.
What? I don't know.
This is a
But
cell. Sorry?
I don't know what we call that was. Sorry.
Oh, oh, it's a cell. Because if you see here, click to add a cell. So this is a
Okay.
cell. Yeah,
Cell.
yeah, it's a cell.
Cell.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Cell. Sorry.
yeah, yeah. And then this one, this box here, it indicates whether your code is running or not. If
Yeah.
your code, if your code is
Run.
not running, yeah, how will you
It
see if
shows
it is
error
running?
and the red
Oh,
cross.
oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay,
Mm.
so now we also have this option where you add your cell and you're adding below, then this one you're adding above.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, because you said you know how to read a JSON file, you know how to read an Excel file, you know how to read a text file, you know how to read a CSV file.
Yeah. For reading the data, I mean, reading the files, we use data sets. The data
Mm.
sets is nothing but pandas, right?
No. Mm, mm.
If I'm wrong, please correct me.
Yeah, no, it's pandas. Yeah.
Mm,
Okay, so let me just say, the first library that will import is import
pandas.
pandas.
Mm,
Yes, PD. Then another one we want to use is, which one do we normally use?
mm, NumPy,
NumPy. So we're gonna say import
NumPy
by
has NP.
np. And then which one else because now today we will be doing data
Mm,
visualization.
yeah, for visualization, we use scikit-learn, Seaborn.
Mm, yeah, but not really. Seaborn is used
Okay.
for heat map and
Yeah,
also
yeah.
yeah. So
Mm,
we will use odds, maths, plots,
plot, plots.
lib, dots, pi,
Yeah, these all are
plots. Yeah,
matplotlib.
SPL.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, yeah. It's PLT. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, then if you want to use other libraries, maybe we'll import again later on. Because
Okay,
yeah. Okay.
according to
So
requirement.
yeah, Yeah, yeah. Okay, now, okay, let me go to this folder here. Mm, Okay, let's see which one we're gonna analyze. Okay, I'll use this one. Let me see how does it look inside. Okay, here we want to see, okay, these are the months. Okay, let me just, it doesn't want to show here. Okay, no. Okay, these are the months from January, February, March, April, May, up until December. And then these are the products A, B, and C, and so forth. Then these are the regions. So these are
Mm.
the sales, and this is the quantities. So yeah, we will be using this data set. This is actually a sales data. Okay, so let me just. So the first thing we'll do is we will say you click this file, then we say there is a button in your laptop which is called shift. Then when you press shift, you don't remove your finger, you just and then you click and then you right click. Then it will show copy as path. But
Okay.
if I just right click, it's not gonna show copy as path. You see how does it show?
Yeah,
See,
got it.
yeah, okay. But other laptop they can show even if you don't have a right, you don't press shift. So me, I normally press shift, then right click, then it shows copy and paste path. Okay. So now we can say data frame. You know what is a data frame?
What? The
A DF or data frame. We call it data frame.
data frame. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah, yeah. So we
Yeah.
say, what is it for?
Uh, to read data or what?
Mm. It is a variable.
Mm,
Remember, there is a x variable, y variable, like x is
yeah.
equal to, yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So df will be our variable. df is equal to pd
the
dot
dot.
a. You can tell me if you remember.
Mm, next time.
Okay, to read.
Right.
Then,
Okay.
since this is an Excel file, it's an Excel file, that's all. So
Okay. Copy the
our
path.
firstly we'll say read Excel.
Mm,
If then we say R. So R means what does R means if you remember?
rejects regular
Yeah,
expression.
it's for reading, yeah. R.
Yeah.
So after R then we say Control V. So we are pasting now. So we paste that copy as part. Then we close. Then
Mm,
okay, then our variable is running now. Now let's see how is our table. df. Other people they like to say print df, but me I don't like it. You see, if I say print, it doesn't look nice. But
yeah.
I just, yeah, I just say df. DF, yeah, it's looking nice now. Okay, so this is our file.
Okay.
But but now we can't see all our 192 rows. So there's
Hmm.
this line here which shows it's not, can't see all of them. So we will say PD dot sets options, and then we say display display dots maximum dots rows, because we want to display all the rows. So we say display maximum rows, and then we say, and then we close the the, the inverted commas. Now we need to put 192 and say 192. So we want to display the maximum row up until 192. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think let's say set option. Yeah, set option, not options.
Okay.
So yeah. So okay, now let's check if it's gonna display now. Let's run this one again. Shift enter. You see now it is displaying from, you see now you can see all of them now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, okay, so we can see here we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Okay. Okay, so our lesson for today is let me put this on. Okay, it's gonna be data visualization. Okay. Okay, so now uh, the first thing what we want to show here, the first thing that we want to analyze here, or we want to visualize, is how much did we made uh, on each month, how much did the total sum of January, the total sum of February, and so forth. Okay, so now what we'll do is we don't want to show not a quantity, but we want to only show month and sales. We want to compare month and sales. So which
Okay.
code do you think we can use if you ever use filters?
Mm.
Sorry?
To display months, right?
Yeah. Okay, so let's just say df. Remember, Python is case sensitive. You cannot just say D in capital letter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so you say df dots filter,
Filter. Okay.
then you say you open the bracket and you open the square brackets. Why are we opening both of them? Why are we using the square brackets? When do we use a square bracket? Remember the data
Oh,
types.
yeah. Um,
Mm.
for arrays, we use square brackets, right?
Sorry?
Aries.
A list, yeah, yeah, very good. Okay, so we will put
The
our first.
flower bracket is for data sets, I think so.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so now the first one is gonna be month.
Mm,
Then we take comma, open the inverted comma. Then we put 6. Then we close. Then we close the list. Yeah. So this is our column now. Okay. Now there is something now we need to. Okay, let's change this one to. Let's save this one as data frame 1. Data frame 1. Okay. Now this table now is gonna be data frame 1. So if I say df1, then it will display this table. You understand that part?
mm.
Okay. You said no.
Yeah, I said yes. Not no.
Oh, okay. So, but now we we want to show the sum. The sum. Still, it is
Okay.
not showing us the sum. It's showing us one by one, January, January, January. This is not the sum of January. So what we need to do is we're gonna say group by. We're not yet on the group by functions, but uh, since you are a data analyst, I will just mix all the lessons together so that you know how to use these functions on different problems.
Yeah.
Eh, Yeah. Okay, so say df1 dot group by, and then you put group by. Okay, if you notice here, say you have forgotten what you need to do. If I open like this, then I can press tab, shift tab. So
Okay.
it says shift plus tab. Okay. So you press them simultaneous. So you're gonna say shift tab. Then it can show you many options how you can use group by. Say group by is equal to none. So these are all the options. Okay, let's see the example where they have used group by. So in this case, let's see. Okay, there it is. Let's say, mm, okay, there it is. So these are the columns. Columns. So it's column A, B, and C. Now
Okay.
we want to group by column B. By column B. So we'll say df dot group by B. By is equal to B dot sum to show what? The total. So let's use this one. Let me show you now in real life. Group by. They said group by. Okay, let's show. Let me show the. Okay, you say group by, like for example, group by animal. This is a column, so it will be in a form of a list. You know. Okay, say group by a month, because we want to group the month. We don't want month to be one by one, one by one. We want to just group. If it is January, it must give us all the total of January. If it is February, it mustn't show one by one. Group by month.
Okay.
The words sum. You
So,
see? Yeah. So now, if it is saying January, this is all the total of January now. February, this is
okay.
all the total of February. Yeah. Okay, let's check another option that we can buy. A, another option that we can use. Let's see another thing that we can show or using group by. Okay, some post. Okay, apply. Okay, yeah, no, this is only yeah. Yeah, okay. So we have grouped the amount now. It is showing all the total. Now let's say we want to say how many times we're gonna group it by month, and then we want to see the count of how many times was the product sold in each month. So we can see each month the product has been sold how many times.
Okay.
How many times has it been sold?
16 times.
16 times. Yeah. So now we want to say, but we want to show the total because this is what we want to visualize. Okay, let's save now. This is our final table that we wanted. So we're gonna say DF1. We're gonna save it. This one is DF1 again. So DF1 now is gonna show like this. Okay. So we're happy now. Uh, now we want to see because now we are analyzing. I'm not just teaching you as a basic person. I want to show you also how to analyze this thing. So DF1. So remember what I'm teaching you is what? What are we learning today?
Network.
Limit plot leap, which is for what?
Uh, it's used for visualization.
For visualization, yeah. Okay.
Mm,
So okay, so now we're gonna say df dots plots. Let's just say df dot plots. So by default, it's showing us what's kind of a graph is this?
this
Mm.
plot, plot in the
It's
sense plot,
it is a line
line
graph.
graph. Okay.
Yeah, it's a line graph. Yeah. Okay, so by default, if you just say df dot plots, then it will show you this one. Okay, but now let's say inside this brackets here, let's say shift tab, then we scroll down, you will see that there is a different the kinds of plots to produce using plots. So plots is just a a group. It is like a title, but inside there are some plots you can use. You can use a line, you can use a bar, you can use bar, you can use hist, box, height, and so forth. Even pie, scatter, and so forth. So when do you use the line graph? When do you use the bar graph? you need to know about those things. When when do you use a certain visualization? You cannot just pick it because you feel like it is beautiful or it is nice, but you need to use it for a specific need at the time. Okay. So now, so we clear on this one now. Can you hear me, Samthoshini? Samthoshini, are you there? Samthoshini, are you there? Hello? Hello, are you there? Hmm. Samthoshini?
Hello. Yeah. The network
Oh,
is slow.
okay, okay. Okay,
Mm.
so I'm saying, are we clear on this one?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So now let's use line now. So we will
Oh,
say EF1 dot plots dot line.
yeah, like,
Mm. So there it is now. Okay. So what things can we display on the line? So we say line, we can show X and Y.
why?
Yeah, so we have X label, we have Y label.
Mm.
Okay. So what can we show on the X label? Have you used this visualization before?
Yeah, I have used.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So we can say X. You said you use it using ChatGPT.
Yeah, I have used ChatGPT, but I can't remember some few. I mean,
Oh,
we can't
oh,
blindly do the thing
oh,
that ChatGPT gave, right?
oh.
Mm.
Okay. Dot line. Okay. So the another thing is we say X. This is an X label. So already it has been labeled with month, but now
Mm.
we want to label this one. Let's say Y label is equal to Y label is equal to sales. These are the sales. So this is sales.
Okay.
Now we also want to put a title. How do we put the title if you remember?
Title.
Hmm.
Title is equals to
Title is equal to
what title we have to give. I mean,
no,
single quotes.
okay. Let me say sales reports. Okay. Yeah. So
Mm.
we have sales report. So how do we put the markers? How do we put the markers?
Yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
How to pick what? What is the question?
To put the markers, to put the dots here or marker.
Dots. So that I
Hmm.
don't know. Sorry.
Okay. So we say comma marker
Mm.
is equal to, then you put the open the inverted comma. Let me say I want to show it like this. I want the markers to be this one. Mm, okay. What is it saying? Markers down.
Value error.
Okay, it says unrecognized. Okay, let's say this one. Let's put this one. You see, it's gonna be what? Stars now.
Yeah.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay, another one, we're gonna say a, a line style. Line style.
Main style. Okay.
The line style, I want it to be as dots, dots. So we're gonna put this on. Okay, it doesn't want to. It says it doesn't recognize these lines. Oh,
Attribute error.
yeah, my spelling is wrong. Line style. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So this is how it looks now. Then we want to show color. We want the color to be orange.
The line color.
Yeah, the line color to be orange. So
Okay.
so the color is not, you don't put you put this one.
You
You see, yeah. So let's use blue. I think blue is better.
yeah.
So yeah, blue is better, you see. Okay. Yeah, so you can add as much as you can. If you want to add more, you can add more. So yeah, you can even use seaborn. Seaborn is also used to show different. Maybe you want to change the background.
To
You want the background.
yeah, to
Sorry?
style or to
Yeah, for style. Yeah.
matplotlib is like HTML. Seaborn is
Yeah.
like CSS, right?
Oh, yeah. You are in computer science, you understand better these things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now another thing is, okay, were you happy with the line graph now?
Okay.
Okay, so let's say now we want to show, I'll just finish the other ones, we will do it. Okay, let me just show three today. We will show three. It will be line, it will be bar, it will be a box and whisker. Box and whisker, I really like it. Okay, so let's see. Let's say TF1. So we want to show, we said we want to show
Line graph.
the, we want to show bar. The bar,
Bar
oh,
graph.
yeah. So how do we
Mhm.
show it?
Dot
What
plot
must I
dot
write? Lots,
plot
dots,
dot bar
bar. Okay.
braces.
Okay. Yeah. So there it is. Okay.
Mhm.
What can we show on your bar? Let's say shift tab. So we can show X and Y. We
Mm.
can also show the color. We can also show so what else can we show? Can show color. We can show subplots. You know subplots.
Subplots.
Mm.
I have heard, but I don't know what it is.
Okay, so let's first indicate the Y value because we don't know the Y value. So Y label is equal to sales. And then we put our title. Title is equal to sales sales reports. Okay. And then the color. What color do you like?
Blue.
Blue. Okay. It's blue. Then we say subplots is equal to. So subplots is equal to true or false. So these are the two options you can use. So subplots, let's see what does subplots do.
Okay.
Subplots, sorry, is equal to true. True must be capital and false must be capital letter. The first letter must be capital. If I say true, then you see it's not turning green. But if I say true, it is turning green. See.
Yeah.
So, so true doesn't do anything. But if I say false,
Mm-hmm.
it has to do something. Okay, false. Okay, subplots. Let's check subplots. Oh, okay. No, sorry. Uh, we use it mostly. Okay, let's say subplots is equal to true. We use it more especially if we have a staked data set. You know what is a staked data set?
Data sets.
Like for sorry,
Stat-
the staked this on
Statistics.
the staked. Let me show you the staked. 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 I saw it here in the staked. Okay, staked is actually this word. Staked, staked, like
Okay.
this one. Yeah. It's
States.
thing. It is a. Sorry, I didn't hear you. Are you there?
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
There
Are
was
you at
some.
home?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, I see. Okay, so yeah. So you're gonna say. So now we want to show. Let me show like a bar now. So say plots dots bar. So this is a bar. So a bar shows like this one. So you can also do the same thing. You can just label like like for example, you can just take
Okay.
okay, let's just copy this thing here. It is the same thing, but it's just showing in a different way. So yeah, you can see it's also showing the same way.
Mm.
Oh, but here we don't have the the X label. Let's show the X label. So we're gonna change this to X label, and then the X label. Oh yeah, X label is sales. So yeah, that is the difference. It is this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so now another thing we want to show. You remember statistic?
Yeah.
Okay,
Statistics.
it's yeah, statistics. So we're gonna say that TF1 dots describe. I'm not gonna get into depth with it today. We'll do it some other time. But we're just gonna compare these values with the box and whisker graph. Okay. So what does it tell us here? It's telling us that the total sales is how many?
Mm.
How many sales did we make according
Well,
to
how much is it?
so we can see here on count we have 12.
Yeah.
So we have 12
There is a
sales.
dot
Yeah.
in between.
This one I know, don't worry about this one.
Yeah,
These
that's what.
zeros. Oh, I don't know. Are you thinking it is millions?
Yeah.
No, don't worry. Okay, then this is our mean now. Our mean. Okay, let me see if I can.
Okay.
Let's just do a little bit of statistic, but I'm not actually in a subject for it. So
Okay.
we're gonna say minimum dots. We're gonna say the F1 dots minimum. So the minimum amount is what? We know it is
70.
75147. Yeah, 75147. DF1 dots maximum. How much is gonna be the maximum value?
Uh, 89314. No, no, no.
You-
104744.
Yeah, okay, this is our maximum. Now let's say we want to show 25% of the data. So we'll say NP dots. Okay, let's see if it's gonna show statistics dots. Okay, then we put this one. Then we say, then we're gonna show EF1 dots. Mm, okay, I think here it's gonna need us to only show the sales column, but let's try it. Then we say 25%. Oh, sorry, I'm wrong here. Now I remember. You're gonna say NP dots percentile. Then we
Okay.
say okay, let's change this one's code. Percentile, then we say TF1 dots, oh sorry, comma 25. Okay. Yeah. So 25% of the data is how much?
8330
Yeah.
double three.
Yeah. 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 So we can also show percentile. Next time when we do exploratory data analysis, you will need to, we're gonna get into depth more about these statistics.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said 75. Also, you said DF1 was 75. 75. Let's see the 75% of the data. Oh, sorry, it's DF1 here. So it is how much? 93.16. Now, let's say we want to see our, we want to see the mean. The mean is not gonna be shown by saying def1 dot mean. I think let's see if it's gonna show mean. Oh, it's showing or mean we can see. Now let's say we want to see the mode. Okay, the mode is also showing. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, but we don't want to show mode at this time. So let's say we want to see standard deviation. Yeah, let's see. Okay, standard deviation is not on this one. Oh, it will show it like this one. Yeah,
STD.
yeah, yeah. So yeah, so this is our state now. We can even show the range and so forth. Okay, but we're not into states. So my reason for showing these things is to display what is called a plots dots box. We want to show the box in whisk.
Okay.
Here. So the box now, let's interpret it now. Okay, the F1 dot describe. Describe. Where is the oh describe? Yeah. Okay. So okay, what can you tell me here? Where is a 50%? Okay, no, you're not gonna be able to show me. Because I'm the one who is controlling the mouse. Okay, we have the this one is gonna be what? This one. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, what do we call this one? You still remember the box whisk graph?
Oh, what graph?
Do you still remember this graph, the box and whisk graph?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So what do we call this one?
Box graph.
This line here, this one.
This line. No idea. Sorry.
It is a it is a minimum fee.
Okay.
Then this one is what? It is
Mm,
25% of the data. This one
okay.
is what? Is a median, which is
Median.
50% of the data. Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have this one, which is 75% of the days. Then we have this one, which is maximum amount, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So if we want to say now this is actually a visualization of this one. We want to see if so if you can interpret this graph, maybe you want to say, tell me about the shape of this graph.
Okay.
So there is a lot of distance between this one. But this one, no, we're gonna do it when you're doing a exploratory data analysis. I don't want to confuse you. Okay,
Okay.
but this is how you can visualize this statistic here. So we said this one is a what?
That's median. Sorry, minimum.
Minimum in this one,
25%.
in this one,
Median.
this one,
75%.
and this one.
Maximum.
It's a maximum. Yeah. Yeah. So okay. So now we know how. So next, maybe as we go on, we're gonna know how. When do we use box and whisker, especially for fraud detection? If you want to check the fraud, if you can even show the outliers, you know. But we are not into that today. Okay, so yeah, then yeah, I think okay. The last thing that I can show is a what can you show here? We can show pa, 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 pa. There's no much that we can show except maybe we can say y label is equal to uh, no, it's only showing a y label. It doesn't have. You can
X level.
see, yeah, the X label is this actually, it's only showing the for
Y level.
information, yeah, for sales, yeah. So,
Mm.
do you understand everything we learned? Do you have any question? Maybe some other
No,
time we
I,
can
I,
continue. Oh,
I have understood.
no, okay. But many things that we learned, you starting to remember now.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's good then. What I will do
The
is,
new thing I have learned is this last one, the box
sorry,
media. The new thing I
sorry.
have learned today. Hello.
Oh, yes, I can hear you. Can you repeat again?
Yeah. Today I have learned the new thing is this median, this box graph.
No,
Mm.
okay. That's good.
Mm.
Then the other one was just a warm up.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so maybe next time we can do, we'll do what is called. I don't know. You tell me if we think do you want to continue or we can finish here for today. Are you there?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm saying I
Yeah.
do you yeah, oh you can
Uh,
talk.
if you have any work, you can drop it. If you have I mean, if you are free, you can continue.
Oh,
I'm always free, so I am
you
okay with
only
it.
okay.
Mm.
Okay, let's try and finish maybe these ones then. Mm, let's try and show at least next time we know that we are dealing with other ones.
Okay.
Okay, we can just show. Let's use okay, histogram.
Histogram.
Yeah, hist. So this is a histogram. But histogram, you're not gonna use it that much. Histogram, yeah, it's not very nice to use on. But I don't know. You don't. Maybe you're gonna use it more than me. I don't know. But to me, I don't use it. But
Mm.
it is used for mainly. Okay, you use what is called beans and list. But we're using here. We're gonna use beans. If you see this one, beans. So by default, they are grouped. It is actually a grouping. Yeah, they are grouped by tens, by tens.
Okay.
Like for example, we have maybe people who are 23 years old, 24 years old, 25 years old, and then we have 35 years old, 37 years old, and we have 45, 46, 46. So say we want to group these people, we want to group them by 10. How can we group these people by 10?
So by using main node,
By using what?
mean,
I mean, by using pin.
not being mean.
Oh, no, okay, no. What we're gonna do is we're gonna
Mm.
use the pin of 10. 10.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bin.
So yeah, a pin of 10 is 20. So instead of saying 23, we're gonna group them all together by 20. Then, sorry, instead of saying 35, 37, we're gonna group them by 8. So they have a difference of 10. Then we're
I
gonna group,
didn't understand
yeah,
this.
sorry.
I didn't get you. Can you come again, please?
Oh, I'm saying we're gonna group these ones. Instead of saying 23, 24, 25, we're gonna say we will group them by tens, like instead of saying 23, 24, 25, we're gonna say 20. Instead of saying 37, 35, 37, we're gonna say 8. Instead of
Oh,
saying 40, 45. So, sorry, if I may ask you, how old are you?
oh, I'll tell my age.
Yeah?
Oh,
How old are you?
oh, I'm 27.
27. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say maybe Nose Rights, I think she's 24. So you and Nose Rights are in your 20s. So this is a 20s. So this we have grouped you by the pin of
Okay.
10. Yeah,
Got.
yeah, yeah. So this is 20s. Then if maybe another student is 30 years old and then another one is 35 years old. So we're gonna say they are on their 30s,
30s. Okay.
40s. Yeah. So this is how we grouping the pin of 10. If we grouping by 5, then which means we're gonna have a difference. We're gonna say 25, 35. So there's a difference of 5, 5, 5, 45. You see. So this is a pin of 5. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, this is basically pin. Yeah. So the pin now we're gonna say pin. You're gonna check the pins is equal to 12 here. So as a data analyst, you should use this much. It's really helpful because you don't need to cram all the code. You just
Okay.
you just say shift tab and then you just check how many options I can use for histogram, you know. So me, I don't need to remember all of them. So you
Mm,
just say these are the examples. So okay, I can use bin, I can use arf. You see, let's check another one. Okay, I can use also fixed size, the fixed size. You see.
okay.
Okay, so you can say pins. So that's an analyst. You are not you are not flexing on how good you can do the code, but you are as a data analyst, you need to know how to work smart, not hard,
Mm,
but work smart. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. So we're gonna say pin of 10. So the pin of 10 is like this. Let's say the pin of 8. Pin of 30 is like this. You see, it is breaking them into 30s. The pin of the more you expand it, the more you increase the pin, the more it is getting thinner. So let's say the pin of 50. So you're grouping them by 50. So you see it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. But you won't
Mm-hmm.
understand it much in Python. It is very nice to use in Power BI. In Power BI.
Okay.
You have ever used the pins and list in Power BI?
No, I didn't
Oh,
go that much into the Power BI.
oh yeah, it's very nice to use. Okay, so yeah. Okay, there's another one we can use is pi. Lots
Right.
of pi. Pi, have you ever used pi before?
Yeah, by chart.
Yeah. So pi, we have, they need us, they require a y value.
Value
So
array.
yeah, so when I say y is equal to sales. Okay, what else do they need? Mm, okay, they need pi. Okay, need y, and the y must be an integer. Okay. Do you know the data types?
Yeah,
Okay.
integer, boolean.
Let's. How do you display data type in Python, if you remember?
Int is equals to, I mean,
Is what?
a, a is equals to int of something like that.
A is equal to what?
Input, sorry. If it's
Mm,
integer, int of input,
mm,
uh, the same goes to all data types. In place, we have to keep whatever the data type we want.
oh, okay.
The input is common. I mean, we
Oh,
have to give
okay.
dynamically. That one is for dynamic
Oh,
values.
Okay, I don't know. I never used it on, but see, I I use this one like TF. Let's say just like the original dates are for TF dots info. Then like
Info.
this, yeah. So
Okay.
info is gonna show each,
Information.
yeah, each column. That's okay. This column, the data type is an object or a string. This one. Products is an object. Region is an object. Sales is in a in such a is in 64. Quantity is in 64. So we know these ones are originally what? If they are in 64, they are numbers. We know that these are the numbers. But objects,
Yeah.
they are what? They are text. So if our sales is in the object, which means there's something wrong, we need to change it. But we're gonna
Okay.
get it, we're gonna do this when we are doing data cleaning. Have you ever done data cleaning before in Python?
Data cleaning. No, actually.
No. No, and it is very, very important and it is very broad. That's why you do data cleaning, that's why you remove unless you remove empty spaces, remove columns and so forth. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, no
Data cleaning in the sense, in annotation, the data cleaning is different. Okay.
in data cleaning in where?
In annotation,
Oh,
uh,
annotation.
yeah.
Uh, what is that?
Um, I mean, we have to collect the resumes from Job Diva, and
Mm.
we have to extract them.
Oh.
So there will be a lot of junk in that, the
Oh.
extracted text file. So we have to
Oh.
remove the ASCII characters. I mean, unwanted spaces,
Yeah, it's the
characters.
same thing. Yeah, it's the same
Eh,
thing.
yeah. So then
So,
when
oh,
we have to clean the all this chunk, and we have to
mm,
upload this cleaned text file into a tool called Docano. We do
oh,
annotation in that Docano. I mean,
oh,
label the skills, professional
mm,
experience of the candidate. We are doing resume parsing, so we have to
mm,
collect, I mean, label all the candidates' profile, I mean, personal information, professional experience, skills,
mm,
associations, education,
mm,
the type of things. And then we
oh,
have to extract the JSON file from this
mm,
Docano. Again, we have to do some cleaning.
mm,
We have to remove the errors. Then we have
mm,
to give this file to the higher officials. They
mm,
will run the
mm.
model.
Oh, so
Mm.
annotation, do you use it? Wait, is it an AI or is it a language? Do you use it in Java or wait?
No, this
Is
is
it?
AIML.
Oh, it's an AI.
Mm.
Oh, okay. I see. I see. So you done it in a computer science.
No, that's my job.
Oh, you use it at work.
Yeah.
No, I never heard of annotation. Is it a free AI tool?
No, this part is very important. if you keep, if you label any other unwanted skills or something, the model will
Mm.
go drastically down. The percentage of
Yo,
the model working is decreases. So it's
yo.
very important for the
Mm.
model.
Well, I'm
The basic.
asking you. I'm asking
Mm,
you if annotation is free, is it a free tool or it is a you have to pay for you have to pay to use it?
I get paid for my work.
Oh, okay, I see, I see. But do you know how to do data cleaning using Power Query?
Okay, query. I know only basic cleaning. The
Oh,
what mm, in Excel
oh,
or CSV files, we have
mm,
to. I mean, remove the null characters or empty. The basic
mm.
thing. That's all. I don't know much about it.
Oh, okay, I see. I
Mm.
know if we're gonna do it together as the time goes on, I can do I can do advanced data
Okay.
cleaning. I can even do automation, automating reports and what. So it's very now. I'm actually using 90% of my work. I use Power Query.
Okay.
Yeah. So you must teach me annotation.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I
I
will.
must teach you. Okay, so let's just say we take a break for today for Python. Then we
Okay.
can.
Okay.
I don't know if you want to have Excel today, but not now. Now we can do it later. I don't know. I will hear from you. Uh, maybe yeah.
Yeah.
You could, then you can teach me
Will.
annotation.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah, okay. Because you know, Santoshi,
Mm-hmm.
remember the purpose is for us to build a relationship, like to help each other in terms of data analysis. You mustn't look at this just for a short period of time. We both of us, we are still young. We need to grow in this industry. We need to. No one can grow alone. We need it. We
Yeah.
need each other. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
we need each other, and I want us to have a team. Like remember, I spoke to you that I want us to get more people. Let's like get clients together, just to do a partnership together.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. So, oh, but I'll hear from you if you're interested in that. Then we can set up a time about dates, and then we discuss on how we can get clients, how we can. I can teach you how to get clients. We can even get people that we can teach. The more you teach, the more you know. You know how to do that. You can know the thing better.
Yeah.
So it is very important for us to be getting people that we can train, we can teach, we can get projects. We do projects.
Mm.
We eat money together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are
So
running in the world of money.
yeah, there is a lot
Mm.
of money out there, but we just don't know how to get it.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't know how to get it. So if we can help each other, see you are from Asia, I'm from Africa. It's easier
Mm.
for you to get clients in Asia. It's easier for me to get clients in Africa. So if we can partner like that, we can go very
Yeah.
far. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, but we can discuss. You can tell me when you want. If you want to discuss today, we can set up a time later. Then we talk about it. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
To,
So do you want to have a class today for Excel and you're gonna teach me a annotation?
today.
Yeah.
We close this for today. We'll talk about tomorrow.
Oh, all right. No problem. Then.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much.
Here I have a question. I forgot to
Oh,
ask you.
okay.
Um, we have different types of graphs, right?
Mm.
Mm, but where to use the particular graph or by requirement we have to use?
That's why now I'm gonna show. You see, we are just doing an overview. Now we're gonna do data cleaning. We're gonna do all these other things. Then we will take different data now. I will teach you when to use box and whisk, when to use a bar, when to use different kind of
Mm-hmm.
graphs now. So yeah, I will also teach you this. But behind you need to actually, I think we need to have a little bit of a revision in statistic. Then you will be able to understand that, oh, if I have this problem, then I must use box and whisk. If I have maybe this problem, I must use this one. I think we must start on that one.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. But I'll teach you, don't worry.
Okay, okay.
I think must also do a project for Power BI together as well. Maybe one day you just pick up a data set, we just do it together, then that's how
Yeah.
we can grow. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, you have any question?
No, that's it.
No, okay, no, it's okay then. We will chat still.
Okay.
Okay. How do
Okay.
you say goodbye in your dialect?
Goodbye.
You say goodbye.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Goodbye. Okay. Yeah, all right. Then in our language in Zulu, you say saligash.
Saligash.
Yeah, yeah, you're good. You see. Yeah,
We
you're
say
right.
goodbye, just bye, or see you
But
later.
oh,
Uh,
Bayara.
in our Telugu language, okay,
Mm.
వెళ్ళొస్తాం, మళ్ళీ
You use
కలుస్తాం. So,
oh, you say Malikas down.
hmm,
Oh, can you repeat again?
మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాం.
Malikas down. Okay. Yeah, okay, thank you so much, Malikas down.
Okay.
Okay, bye.